There are 3 guarantees for residents of West Michigan: death, taxes, and Tri-Unity Christian playing just about every March for a state basketball title. Defense has been what's led the defenders back to the Class D semifinals tonight. They've held their opponents to 40 points per game. Tonight's test, Superior Central, which has averaged 76 points per game during the state tournament. So, could Mark Keeler dip deep into his bag of tricks and find a way to shut down this high-scoring team from the UP? Early on, Superior's Dylan Johnson gets his pocket picked by Joey Blaukamp. No-look feed to Joel Forreston, who scores easily. That got the defenders to within 2. Superior Central counters. Jordan Cartier threads the needle to a cutting Lucas Mackay, who lays it 2 of his 13. That puts Superior up by 4. Second quarter, Tri-Unity's Mike Boone steps in front, intercepts. Boone then leads the break the other way, decides to finish what he started, gets the hoop and the harm. Trinity led 25-24 at the half. The defenders open the third on a 9-hole run. Boone's triple try off the mark, but Joey Blaukamp is there for the board and puts back 2 of his game-high 21. Tri-Unity Christian will play for the Class D state title. They beat Superior Central tonight 62-49. They'll face Fulton for the title Saturday at 10 a.m.
Great lights to the Breslin or whatever, everybody says, well, you guys are going to be used to coming here. And no, these kids have never been here before, not as players. And so they might have been in the stands watching, but it's a whole different atmosphere being out there. But I'm really proud of them with the way they responded.
NCAA